Want to know the top 3 secrets to how to lose weight without working out? Then you're going to want to watch this video in its entirety. You're about to discover celebrity secrets, powerful supplements, and more. Let's dive in. How to lose weight without working out. Losing weight can be a difficult and time-consuming task, especially when it comes to finding the time to fit in a workout routine. But what if we told you that you could lose weight without working out? It's true, there are several ways to shed those extra pounds without hitting the gym, which I'll share with you in this short video. But first, if you'd like the Insider's Celebrity Secret Supplement that helps you lose weight fast without working out, be sure to click the link in the description below for instant access to the best-kept secret, known only to the rich and famous. First, focus on your diet. The old adage calories in, calories out still holds true. If you consume fewer calories than you burn, you will lose weight. To do this, focus on eating nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods such as fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed and high-calorie foods as much as possible. Another way to lose weight without working out is to increase your physical activity throughout the day. This doesn't mean you have to hit the gym. Simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking instead of driving, and even standing instead of sitting can all help you burn more calories. You should also focus on getting enough sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which increases your appetite and makes you crave high-calorie foods. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Finally, consider trying weight loss supplements that can aid in weight loss. Some supplements can help suppress your appetite, increase your metabolism, or burn fat. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplement. Losing weight without working out is possible by focusing on your diet, increasing physical activity, getting enough sleep, and potentially taking weight loss supplements under professional guidance. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Making small changes over time will lead to long-term success. There are various ideas how to lose weight without working out. While diet, increased physical activity, and getting enough sleep are all crucial elements in weight loss, it's important to mention that incorporating exercise into your routine can have many benefits as well. Exercise not only helps you burn calories, but it also helps to build muscle and increase metabolism. This means that even when you're not exercising, your body will continue to burn calories at a higher rate. Additionally, regular exercise can improve cardiovascular health, increase energy levels, and reduce stress. But what if you're not able to hit the gym or don't have access to expensive equipment? The good news is that there are plenty of ways to exercise without needing a gym membership. Activities such as hiking, cycling, swimming, and even bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges can all be done in the comfort of your own home. Incorporating exercise into your weight loss journey doesn't have to be a chore. The key is to find an activity that you enjoy and can stick to. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a yoga class, or a dance class, make sure it's something you look forward to doing. Remember that consistency is key, and even a short workout can make a big difference in the long run. In summary, while losing weight without working out is possible, incorporating exercise into your routine can have many benefits and should be considered as part of a healthy weight loss journey. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a consistent part of your lifestyle. To read the rest of this article and discover the Celebrity Secret Supplement, click the link in the description below to get full access right now.